breaking the laws of nature, I know. Well, don't stop now. When the sanctum's restored, they'll attack it again. We've got to defend it. Come
You know what to do! Keep pressure on it!
No! Don't need plasma! Give it to him! Over there! I'll be okay. Go! Go!
Reach! Get out back!
We got it! Okay, see you soon! Come on! Come on!
We gotta move right now. Come on, come on.
What the hell is this?
What are you doing, sir? Hey, cat.
Get up. It's good to see you, kid.
Come closer.